Hello, watercolor painters. We are going to Cascais. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but we will be painting this scene when we get there, I'm sure. If not this exact scene, something very close. We're going to start with the clouds. We only have 1 hour. Obviously, this painting is sped up, so you don't have to spend an hour watching me paint. But I'm working on the negative shapes of the clouds. They're a little different than what was on the original photograph. But I'm painting them ultramarine blue, a little bit of cobalt blue, a little tiny bit. And I'm putting just a little bit of water just underneath so they kind of look like the bottoms are rounded out. Here, I'm painting in just ultramarine blue in the shadow areas of the painting just to give it some depth. So when we start painting the color, this color right now that you're seeing is basically viridian green. That's it. I didn't really model it. The lighthouse has a touch of red and cerulean blue on those stripes. And here I'm painting burnt sienna, a little bit of burnt umber and burnt sienna. The top of where the terracotta roof is, more sienna, probably a touch of a cadmium orange, just to make it a little brighter. Now I'm going in with some darker green. This green is sap green, ultramarine blue, and burnt umber. I want to go dark because I want to make sure that this looks like it is shadow, like it is in the photograph. And it's pretty dark and dense on that berm. Here it is again. We're going in. I just touched up a little area that I missed. I'm painting in the windows right now just to show a little contrast. That's all. The windows in the light are obviously a little lighter than windows in the shadow area. And so I'm just trying to fill in almost where my pencil line was. You do want to spend a little bit more time with the pencil than you will painting because you want to make sure your line is good because you can't really do too many corrections on watercolor. So it's crucial to do a pretty good drawing and then start painting. Okay, so I'm going back again with that same wash of sap green, burnt umber, and ultramarine blue. Now here I went back again with this viridian green, and I made a little bit of a gradation. And now I'm concentrating on getting the shadow color. And as you can see, I'm adding a little bit of a dry brush effect on the edges. So I'm taking the brush and just kind of pulling it over, and you can see how it looks like when it's dry. So here I'm just adding a little bit more of the green, the sap green. The lighter sap green, lighter green that you see in the painting is sap green with a touch of cadmium yellow. So you could use that and just go a little lighter wherever you see there's a lighter color. Here there's like a little, I forgot to draw in, there's like a little doorway way down by the water. So I'm just painting that in with some opaque white. There's the little palm tree, that's sap green and a little bit of cadmium yellow. And here I'm going back over again with the same color because each time you go over it, it's going to get a little darker. Burnt umber, ultramarine blue, and sap green. The trees in the back are a little cooler. So now I'm painting the underparts of the clouds and adding just a little water to soften and round them out a little bit. And here I'm just scumbling in some shadows. And that's pretty much it. So this painting should only take you about an hour to do, or when you get there, and there's the painting. Okay, I'll see you guys in Portugal. Bye now.